Hi guys, TestNet 2020 forms are out. So finally 21 admission forms are out. So let me explain the complete process. What this is all about. Test Mat, test all the exam. There are 4 tests now, and whether you should apply, not apply. So we're going to cover up everything. So these are first of all the strategy sheet for the TestNet exam. If you are giving the mocks, this is how you need to score. Check your scores. So GK, Maths, Logic, English. There are 3 sections, and this is your target score. Target attempt, target score 75 marks should be your target out of 100. This is a typical cutoff for the last for the recent exam. Yeah, attempt you can do 100 by 100 attempt because there's no negative marking. You can't leave everything. Yeah, but today we met mainly for the admission timeline. These details are given on our website cettking.com/tis. Okay, and in case you want to join our program for the mocks, books, and shortcuts, you can just call us on any of the numbers given here. Mocks, books, and shortcuts for the TIS exam. All right, let's check out the timeline here. So we have the announcement of date on 3rd of December. It came, so yesterday the announcement came. Last date to apply is January 15th. So we have time. We have time till CAT का result is out. To CAT का result is out to decide whether to apply or not. Now, a lot of students are saying, sir, मेरे को जब HR जाना ही नहीं है, why I should apply? I understand if you don't want to go for MBA in HR, but if you're not done well in the CAT exam, if you're getting some D grade college, going there, say better hoga going for TIS. Yeah. So watch till the end. I'll give you the complete pros and cons of TIS, and then you take a call whether you want to apply or not apply. Okay. Last day to submit the form is 20th of January, and baki hall ticket kab aayega, that will be announced later on. And the exam is on 20th of February. So we can see a delay of around 50 days. Yeah, normally the exam is around January first week, January 5th and January 7th to February 20th. So almost 50 days, 45 days ka delay in the exam. Same way the IFT exam is delayed. Same way all the government exams we are seeing, CMAT ka bhi tak date nahi aaya. We are seeing the delay in almost every government exam. Private exams are happening on time, but government exam we are seeing a delay of around 50 days. And the exam, all the pending stuff is pending here. So we have to wait for the remaining thing. Anyway, that's not important. The main thing we have got here, the last day to apply is January 15th and exam is on Feb 20th. So these are the main dates we have. Okay, move to the cutoff. So this is a typical trend for the last 3 years. General category cutoff is around 75. 3 साल पहले पेपर बहुत easy आ गया था. GK section mainly become very easy. Cutoff went up to 81. Last year, 2 साल पहले का पेपर बहुत easy आ गया था. Cutoff came down to 72. Otherwise, typically cutoff is around 75 marks. So अगर आपको एक range चाहिए for the mock, 75 is your target score. OBC 68 to 72, SC 65 to 67, Kashmiri migrant 59-58, PWD 51-50, and EWS 70-72. That's a cutoff, tentative cutoff for this year TIS exam. Okay. Now, if I go for the individual programs, detail of the programs, so their main flagship programs are HR, ODCL, Development Studies, and Globalization. If I add globalization here, yeah, these are the globalization and labor. So these are the 4 main programs at this exam. इनका कट ऑफ आपके सामने है. इन एनी वे यू नीड टू स्कोर 70 प्लस इन द टेस्ट एग्जाम. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको 3 कोर्सेज, यू कैन टिक मार्क अप टू 3 कोर्सेज, 1, 2 और 3 कोर्सेज. व्हाट माय एडवाइस वुड बी टू टिक मार्क एनी 2 आउट ऑफ हिम. ऑल ऑफ देम आर इक्वली गुड. एचआर उनका मेन प्रोग्राम है, वेयर एवरेज सैलरी इज 20 lakhs, and development study, all these program average salary is around 12 lakh. Yeah, there are students who have got 15 as well in this program, but the main is HR. Okay, so HR program main program, uska cut off 75, बाकी cut off थोड़ा कम comparatively. So if you ask me which 3 courses you apply, you can tick mark any of the 2 courses here. If you're an engineer, you can mark 3 out of here only. You don't go to other courses. But if you are a non-engineer, then 2 courses from here. That's the program here, globalization and labor. What you can do, if you are hell-bent, मेरे को ये साल टेस्ट में जाना ही जाना है, तो you can tick mark any of these other courses as well. So these are the courses where cutoff is 60. Now, if you're not going to get 70 marks in the TIS exam, it makes no sense to apply for the top 4 colleges. Then I can apply for here. Yeah, so tick mark any of the courses here related to your specialization. For example, you are from health, hospital, healthcare background, you can go for that. If you are law, you can go for that. So you can tick mark one of these and two from the top in case you want to apply for that. Otherwise, top four में से कोई भी दो tick कर लो. Like we have students who only want the clinical psychology, so they can tick mark here. Then or courses, there are many courses, so you can just pause the video here and check out which course you want to apply. Okay, now we come to the exam. So TIS, there are 4 exams: TIS NET, TIS PAT, TIS MAT, and TIS OPI. There are 4 exams which are there. I'll give you the detail for all the exams. So TIS NET is the first exam, the main exam with 100 marks, which everyone have to take. Okay. Then there are for people who are applying for the HR program and the ODCL program, they are going to go for the TIS MAT exam only for HR and ODCL. And other people will go for the TIS PAT exam. TIS PAT earlier used to be called PIT PI. Now they are changing it to PAT and MAT. So MAT with negative marking for ODCL and HR, the flagship program. And for every other program, you have to give the PAT exam. And online interview is common for everyone. So TISNET, I explained that in 2 minutes. So TISNET is the main written test. Management aptitude test. Last year they started this course, this test for HR and ODCL only. Okay. And cutoff for that is around 30 marks. 30 to 28 marks is a cutoff. And this is the syllabus for the TISMAT exam. Okay. अब आ गया TIS PAT exam. Now, TIS PAT for all the people who are not going to applied for HR and the other exams, you are going to have PAT 45 minutes का टेस्ट. अगर आपने 2 कोर्स को टिक किया तो 90 मिनट्स का टेस्ट, 3 कोर्स को टेस्ट किया तो 135. So they're going to be separate test for every college you have applied. Okay, and then online interview. They have already considered the online interview online, so they're considering coronavirus to continue or not to continue. कैसा भी होगा, हमारा interviews are going to be online, which makes sense as well. Travel करके कौन आ गया इतना दूर? And then aggregate scores are taken. Now, if I summarize, so we have TIS MAT. First exam is TIS NET, which everyone is going to take. Now, if you applied for HR other program, you have to go for the TIS MAT ka exam, followed by online interview. OPI. Yeah. If you are applying for the this is only for the HR and ODCL program. If you apply for the other normal program, then you have to go for the TIS PAT and then go for the interview. If you apply for both, like you apply for HR also, you apply for the globalization also. In that case, you have to give this also, this also. Okay. Anyway, ये तब आएगा जब तुम्हारा सिलेक्शन होगा. जबकि TISNET and TISMAT have to be on the same day. Is going to be on the same day. This is only if you are shortlisted. Okay. HR people वालों को TIS PAT नहीं देना है. No TIS PAT here for HR and ODCL. ठीक है, एक्सप्लेन दैट आगे जाके. अभी के लिए पहले TISNET की तैयारी तो शुरू करो यार. ठीक है, this is the main thing which you want to focus on. So at CTK, we are launching our programs. In case you want to join our program, you can just call us on any of the numbers given here. And my team will be more than happy to help you out with the books, mock, shortcuts, whichever program you want to take. Then here are some rules where how the final merit list is going to be done. Last year, student put a case against them, and that's why they are now very strict about the rules. कि भाई ये rule है, आना आ, नहीं आना मत. So you can pause the video and check these rules. The rule for the wait list, everything they've given clearly now. Let's look at the placement now. From the placement point of view, if I look at the last 2 years ka placement, average salary is touching 21.15 lakh. 21.15 lakh and highest is 32.79. Please remember, they are pure HR program. या कोई marketing नहीं, कोई sales नहीं, कोई finance नहीं. So because of that, average salary थोड़ा सा कम होता है. Otherwise, this is equally good top package. And if I add the fees into that, Average fees is from 0.288 to 2 lakh का fees है. If we talk about the HR program, HR का fees is 2 lakh रुपए. For ODCL, fees is 10 lakh. Approximately, you have to check the exact number. Now, 21 lakh का average salary with investment of fees of 2 lakh, this is one of the best ROI. This is college is at par with FMS college. Yeah, FMS में जाके you can do marketing, finance, operation. Here you have to do HR. But for a person like me, it doesn't make a difference. It depends on which college I'm going. Rather than going to Faltu college, it's better to go for TIS. So this can act as a very good program to apply for. Engineers can apply. 50% of the batch are engineers. अभी भैया इंजीनियर को कोई रोक नहीं सकता. अभी इंजीनियर हर जगह जा जाके हम लोग ट्राई मार रहे हैं. तो 50% of the batch is going to be engineer. Okay. Okay, last part, check out the syllabus for the TISNET exam. So 40% weightage is for the TIS GK section, 30% for the other two sections. Now GK section is the most problematic area. तुम्हारे और TIS के बीच में कोई खड़ा है वो है GK. मैथ्स है सब हो जाएगा. अरे मैथ्स चिंदी है, चिंदी लेवल मैथ्स है. But GK the main thing. So easy 8 question, medium 14 question, difficult 18 question. This is the breakup. And from the syllabus point of view, current affair, new government schemes, economics and business, important awards, current affairs, and sports. From static GK, schemes and policies, Indian politics, history, geography, arts and culture. So they're going to ask about everything and anything. Okay. From the verbal, so this name should be wrong, yeah. It should be quant English plus logic. So what they're trying to do is English and logic को इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं and D and quant को अलग कर रहे हैं. But नाम अभी भी उसका logic section वहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. I'll explain that. So from the GK, from the English point of view, syllabus wise, RC2 RCs, RC1, RC2, fill the blanks, grammar based question, synonym antonyms, odd man out, parajumble, critical reasoning, and logical reasoning. 3 questions of logic are here. जबकि next section is called logic, quant and DI. उसमें logic है ही नहीं. Logic के move to here, but नाम उसका वो लिखा हुआ है. So numbers, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, modern maths, pie chart, table. So 7 questions based on DI and remaining questions based on quant. So quant का अपन को थोड़ा बहुत करना होगा इसके लिए. Those are given the CAT exam, you have no issues at all. But level of difficulty is very, very simple, not difficult. Only basic knowledge is more than sufficient of maths. आपका problem maths नहीं, आपका problem GK है. All right, so in case you want to join the program, you can call us on any of the numbers given here, and my team will be more than happy to help you out with the programs at CK. All the best.